How does the process of furnishing real estate properties work? You send us your design project and we provide a preliminary estimate for the business and premium segments. Next, we meet with you on Zoom, discuss all the details, and answer any questions you may have. After that, we sign a contract with you. You make a prepayment of $2,000. We then transfer these funds to the factory. Our tours are free of charge. You arrive in the city of Guangzhou. A specialist meets you at the airport with a sign in a business class car with a driver. Then you travel to the city of Foshan. At this stage, several specialists begin working with you. The first is the tour manager, the second is the packer, the third is the operations director, as well as the head of the sales department, and of course, myself. In addition, an accountant, a logistics specialist, and additional staff who will handle the complete assembly will also be involved. Our tour lasts 3 to 5 days. At the end of the tour, you will have a final specification with all the products you have selected. Next, we coordinate the specification with you and you make a 50% prepayment. Here is a very important point. In advance, for case furniture, if it is in the cities of Moscow, St. Petersburg, Kazan, or Krasnodar, our specialists go out and take preliminary final measurements. Based on these measurements, we manufacture the case furniture at our facilities or at the facility you have chosen according to the materials you selected during the tour. We also additionally create a design project at this facility. After that, we start the production process for all the products you have chosen. In about 2 months, sometimes it can be a month, sometimes 2, depending on the type of product, the goods are ready. Our specialist goes to the production facility, conducts an inspection, and checks the quality of the goods. They check the dimensions, the quality, and prepare a complete photo and video report. We provide this report to you and then you review and approve it. Only after that do we make the second payment. Next, we transport the goods to our warehouse, provide additional packaging, insure them, prepare the customs documents, consolidate everything into a container, and ship it directly to your city. We transport all goods legally, so we also prepare all the necessary documents and handle the customs clearance for the entire shipment. Next, if the destination is one of the cities I mentioned earlier, Moscow, St. Petersburg, Krasnodar, or Kazan, we receive the shipment ourselves, deliver it to our client's address, and then additionally assemble the goods. This is usually case furniture. We carry out the complete assembly according to the measurements initially taken by our specialists, and after that, we hand over all the goods as per your order right at your home. In addition, you can order building materials, in which case there will be 2 deliveries. First, we deliver the building materials. This could include plumbing fixtures, flooring, lighting, wall panels, outdoor lighting, or possibly sintered stone or fiber cement boards. In that case, we make 2 separate deliveries. First, we deliver the building materials, and then we deliver the items that need to be assembled directly at your premises. In addition, you can place this order online. The process will be exactly the same, except the tour itself will be conducted online for you. So leave your requests, and we will be happy to bring your dream project to life.